Not long ago, I was getting my kicks on Route 66, doing a solo trip in my convertible from North Carolina, where I grew up, all the way to California. Super fun. And on this particular day, the destination was Flagstaff, Arizona, but I had to make a little spontaneous stop.
Yay, it's all fixed. And I had help from Jose and Frank also, who stopped to help me. It was so nice. And the team here at O'Reilly's. Oh my gosh. Yeah, whoop, back on the road.
I used a YouTube episode to learn how to change spark plugs on the fly and got there super late at night, but was rearing to go the next day. I stopped at this owl-themed cafe and loaded up on food and then headed out.
Those ladies at Crystal Magic were so nice, all of them. And I got to talking to one gal and she said, oh, you've got to go to the train depot. It's super windy, you can probably tell. But anyways, my dad had also said, oh, there's a train yard there. And, you know, I've been hearing and seeing these trains go by. So I'm going to pop in the visitor center really fast. Because as you may know, I always think of my dad when I see anything train related, since he has his store, the Train Loft in North Carolina. It's actually just in the news yesterday. So that's cool. Happy for him, proud of him. Yeah, I'm so glad I stopped here. It's like super charming. Okay, so this is pretty cool. A train is literally going by right now. And then I walk in and I see this train. But, oh yeah, I'll have to call my dad later. People love this. As you can see, they've created a whole track around the room, along the walls. Pretty cool, and some nice scenery. This is pretty cool.
Have you guys been here before? Have any fun facts to share? Or maybe you have another train-related destination you'd like to recommend? Feel free to write all this stuff and more in the comments.
Well, that was fun. Once again, I talked to a nice lady who moved here from another place in Arizona, like she said 50 years ago or something crazy like that. But I was like, I can see why you'd be here. It's beautiful, it's charming, it's lovely, people are nice, my gosh. So I got my dad a couple little goodies that he'll like, that are, train oriented. And I think it's time to get on the road.
I have so much more to share with you guys. So subscribe on YouTube and then feel free to follow along on Instagram at Lisa K Entertainment on YouTube for more behind the scenes. I'll see you soon. Bye for now.